it's Christmas time and thing, but what do you all make of the response of the Honorable Minister of Sports when asked about the topical issue of the resumption of local football? Listen to the minister.
I'm not going to say anything about football at this time. Today, it's track and field. And I want to focus on track and field. I will have something to say about football on another occasion.
Question. Between the Ministry of Sports and the Ministry of Health, it is obvious them not think football can play. And let us say for good reason. Instead of the sports minister ducking away from the issue and the health minister talking around the issue, why don't they just come up front and level with the people? Explain the reservations they have about resuming football. Remind us that the corona is no joke. Tell us that the government don't trust the football people to set up and adhere to the stipulated protocols. Tell us the government can't afford the testing. Come straight and say the government fears further outbreaks of COVID-19. Tell me something. Tell us the truth. Wait a second. Politicians don't tell the truth.